Good morning, guys. So today we are leaving a little bit earlier than usual. Shh. We decided to skip Lampang and Lampang and just drive straight to Chiang Mai today. It's actually not too far if we just take the highway. We were going to take small roads and kind of make a day of driving to Lampang, stay the night at Lampang, one of those. Stay the night and then drive the next day to Chiang Mai or Chiang Rai. Sorry, Chiang Mai. But we decided we still have some things we want to go do in Chiang Mai. Not do, but the next day we have to catch the train at a certain time, and just to not be in a rush, we decided we're going to go all the way straight today, and instead of taking the nice little scenic roads that we wanted to take, we're just going to take the highway. At least that's the plan. If the highway's too crazy and too busy, then maybe we'll cut off a bit, but the idea is we're going to drive now to, is it Lampang or Lampang? Lampang. We're going to drive to Lampang. We're going to get a little coffee and maybe something to eat there, and then continue onward to Chiang Mai. If all goes well, we should be in Chiang Mai by around lunchtime. If all goes well. Alrighty, we're going to hit the road.
Sophie?
I was talking about the staff at the hostel that we stayed at in Chiang Mai. They were a little bit meh. We're going to go back today.
Go ahead.
We're going back today, and we were just saying maybe they'll let us check in early, I don't know. But judging by the attitude of the staff last time, I don't feel like they'll go out of their way to let us check in early. They'll just say, no, 2 o'clock, come back at 2 o'clock and you can check in. Let's see.
Most likely. We just had a quick little Cafe Amazon white chocolate macchiato. We're here in Lampang. And now we're getting back on the road. Should be another hour or so. Hour and a half. I think we got 85 kilometers or something like that till Chiang Mai. So not too far. Gonna hop back on the highway. It's a pretty boring ride actually today. Just straight on the highway.
Actually, I disagree. The highway has not been like a proper highway. There was one bit of the road where it was just 2 lanes. We were going through countryside, farmland. It was nice.
It's okay.
It was nice.
It was nice. Alright guys, we're back here in Chiang Mai. We got here at 11:30 just before lunch. Got in our room early, super nice, so we were able to check in early. And so now we gotta run some errands quick before the day is over. Showered up, we've got a big old bag of laundry here. Huge bag, we haven't done laundry. It's like literally all our clothes. We have like just the clothes that we're wearing, and that's the only clothes we have left. So we're gonna drop the laundry, then we're gonna go to the railway station and book our train tickets for tomorrow, and then Sophie's gonna go to the spa for a bit, because she needs it after a long tour, you know, 10 days on the road. She's gonna relax, and then you're making faces over there. Then maybe we go see a movie tonight, because I wanna see movies. That's my spa. So we'll see. But we're gonna run first and get all the things done before the day is done.